Hello everyone, Bhavna here. Subject is Digital Electronics for Electrical, and today I'm starting K-map. K-map is used to reduce Boolean expression. Earlier we have studied basic theorems and max terms and min terms, SOP and POS forms to reduce Boolean expressions. Now we are using K-map. K-map is also used to reduce Boolean expressions. And type of K-maps is first one is 2 variable K-map, and the next 3 variable K-map, and the last one is 4 variable K-map. So starting with 2 variable K-map, for 2 variable we know the formula 2 raised to power n. For 2 variable 2 raised to power 2 is equals to 4. That means we have to build a 4 box K-map. Okay, and for 4 box we are taking 2 variables a and b. We will write here a and b like this, and we will create a K-map of 4 box, and each box will have number. Each box is numbered as 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the value of a is 0 or 1. The value of a can be 0 or 1. Similarly, the value of b can be either 0 or 1. Okay, so this is the way we can make 2 variable K-map. Similarly, now comes to 3 variable K-map. For 3 variable, 2 raised to power 3 is equals to 8. That means we have to make 8 box K-map. For 8 box, we take 3 variables. So we will create a K-map like this, and the 3 variables can written as this a, b, c, and the value of a can be either 0 or 1, and the value of b, c can be either 0, 0, 0, 1, and then 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay, and the numbering of boxes can be given as 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7 in this manner. So we have to make 3 variable K-map in this manner. Now comes to 4 variable K-map. For 4 variable K-map, 2 raised to power is equals to 16, and we have to make 16 box K-map, and we will make like this, and the variable is written as this AB and then CD, and the value of AB can be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and the value of CD can be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and the numbering of boxes are given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 in this manner. This is the standard format for K-maps. So now comes to the questions. Before starting questions, now see how to grouping. The grouping of minterms can be in a single. Single means only one minterm is used. Then pair means 2 minterms are used. Minterms are denoted as 1. As we have studied earlier, minterm is equals to 1. And if we talk about max terms, then max term means 0. Okay, now though grouping of ones can be done as single one, pair means 2 ones, quad means 4 ones, octet means 8 ones. So this is the way we can make groups of 1. Now come to the question. The first question is minimize the following Boolean function using K-map. This is the following Boolean function. Now we have to build a K-map. So first of all, we see here are 4 variables. For 4 variables, we have to make 4 variable K-map. 4 variable K-map is like this. We have to create 16 boxes in this manner. Okay, and then the variables are a, b, c, d. Write it as a, b, c, d, and the value of a, b can be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. See carefully, we have to write it in this manner only. and for CD 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 in this manner. Now we have to give numbering of all boxes, and the numbering can be given as 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. See this carefully how I have given this numbering. Okay. Now here are minterms. So that means minterm is equals to 1. These are the positions of minterms. At these positions we have to fill 1. Position 0 we have to fill 1. Then position 4. Then position 6. Then 7. Then 8. 9. 10. And last one is 13. So we have filled all the ones in the given positions. Okay. And the remaining positions which are left, we can fill their 0. And we have to make groups of 1, means we have to make groups of minterms only. So grouping is done by either single, either pair, quad or octet. So first of all, as I have written here, we have to make largest possible group always. So first of all we check, can quad is created or not? Quad means 8 ones together. Here is there any possibility 8 ones are together? No, I cannot see here the 8 ones are together. Okay, then we will check for quad. Is there 4 ones together? No, no 4 ones together. Here are 2, here are 2, 2. Okay, then we will check for pair. Here are many pair can be created. This one is pair, so make this a group. This is also a pair, make it a group. And this is also a pair, make it a group. Now here a 1 and here 1. So we have to make all groups, no one should be left. So this one is grouped with this one, as K-map is rotating, horizontally rotating, and vertically is also rotating. So this one is grouped with this one. Okay. Now as I have filled all the ones and made groups, now we have to write a Boolean expression for this K-map. So see how to write it. F is equals to, for this one we will check for this groups. This group, the variable A is 0 0 and the variable B is 0 to 1, and the variable C is 0 for the whole group, and the variable D is 0 for the whole group. So we have to take that variable which is not changing for the whole group. So the variable A is 0 for the whole group, and we will take A, and the value of A is 0, so it is complemented. And the value of B is 0 to 1 changing, so B cannot be taken. And the value of C is 0 for the whole group, so C, and the value of C is 0, so C complement. The value of D is 0 and it is same for the whole group, D complement. That means for this first group we have written A complement, C complement, D complement. Now this is the group second, and we can write for this group, and the value of A is 0 for the whole group is same. First write here plus and then A complement, because for this group the value of A is 0, so A complement. The value of B is 1. B is taken as normal variable because the value of B is 1. Now for this group check the value of C. C is 1 here and here it is also 1. 1 to 1 is not changing, then we will take C. And the value of D is 1 here and here it is 0. It is changing from 1 to 0, so D is not taken. That means for group 2 the expression is A complement B C. Now this is group 3. For group 3, we will check the value of A is 1 to 1, same, that means A. The value of B is changing from 1 to 0, so B cannot be taken. And the value of C is same for the whole group, that is 0, C complement. And the value of D is 1, D. So this is also done. And the last one is this group named group 4. Okay, now check this group. Okay, the value of A is 1, so take it as A, and the value of B is 0, so take it as B complement. For this group, the value of C is 0 to 1, changing. This group, the value of C is 0 to 1, is changing, so C cannot be taken. And the value of D is from 0 to 0, that is same, so it's D complement. Okay, so this is the Boolean expression for this K-map. So this is the way we can solve questions based on K-map. Okay, now come to the next question. Next question is also similar. It is 4 variable question. For 4 variable, we will make a K-map of 16 boxes. So make it, this is 16 box K-map. The variables are A, B, C, D. So write here A, B, C, D. And the value of AB is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And the value of CD is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And numbering 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the way we can give numbering. This is the standard format. So keep in your mind, this is the standard format and we have to create K-map only in this manner. Now these are the minterms. So fill these minterms at these positions. Position 0, then position 1, position 2, position 3, position 5, position 7, position 8, 9, 11 and 14. Okay, and the remaining positions we will write there 0. Okay, now check, can octet is created or not? A group of 8 ones can be made. These are the 4 ones and these are the 4 ones. I have told you earlier that the K-map is rotating, so the octet can be created like this. Okay, okay. Now the remaining ones are only 2. We have to make largest possible group. So these 2 ones can be together, can make a quad. Quad means 4 ones. Okay, so there are only 2 groups we have made. This is the group 1 which contains 8 1 together, and this is the group 2 which contains 4 1 together. Okay, now how to write a Boolean expression for this? F is equals to, now check for group 1. For group 1, the value of A is 0 and here it is 1. The value of A is changing from 0 to 1, so A cannot be written. And the value of B is 0 here and it is also 0 here. So the value of B is same, is 0. To take B complement. Now for this whole group, the value of C is changing, 0, 0, then 1, 1. So C cannot be taken. The value of D is also changing, here 0, 1, 1, 0. So D cannot be taken. So for the group 1, the Boolean expression is only B complement. Now write plus and then comes to group 2. For group 2, the value of A is same from 0 to 0. So A is taken and A complement because its value is 0. and value of B is changing from 0 to 1, so B cannot be taken. And the value of C is changing from 0 to 1, so C is also cannot be taken. And the value of D is same, that is 1, so take D. So this is the complete Boolean expression for this K-map. So it easily reduce in very shortest form. So K-map is useful to get very shortest form of Boolean expression. Now here another example for minimization of K-map with redundant group. What is redundant group? Now let's assume we have a K-map and one is filled here like this. Okay? Then we will check how to make largest possible group. The largest possible group is, we can make here quad. See here, this is quad. Okay, now no one should be left. Here are 4 ones. So for this one it is a group pair. For this one this is a pair. For this one this is a pair. For this one this is a pair. Now check into the quad. The all 4 ones of this quad is using into another groups, so this quad is useless. So this quad is called a redundant group, and we can remove this redundant group. And the all possible groups are here, the 4 pairs only. Okay, now next question. Obtain the minimization expression using K-map. Now the question is given in this format. You can see here summation M plus summation D. Summation D means here don't care. Don't care means D, the value of D can be 0 or 1. Either we can take D as a 0 or 1 depending on the conditions. Now how to make a K-map using this? See, first of all we can see here these are the numbers which are starting from 0 and the largest one is 13. So 4 variable K-map should be made. The 4 variable K-map in this manner. The 4 variables can be A, B, C, D, and the value of A, B 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. The value of C, D is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And the numbering of boxes should be like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now these are the minterms. Fill these minterms in this K-map. The positions are 0, 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. At 0, 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 and 13. And the value of don't care is 9 and 12. At 9 we will fill D, and at 12 we will fill D. Now using these don't cares, if the largest possible group is creating